can't see from there. Oh. Look. Yeah. Your mom left us.
She always does.
I know.
I got mint.
Yeah, mint.
Empty.
Uh-huh. Alright, so it's our last morning here. We're gonna grab some breakfast. Just doing it on my phone. I didn't wanna bring my camera everywhere. We're deciding whether to go to car free day, which ends at 9 o'clock. It's like 7:55 right now. Good morning, Zach.
Morning.
So he had fun yesterday with his cousins, running around, treated everybody to Starbucks. And so, after breakfast sandwich, actually. Wow. Alright, so let me grab my breakfast. I guess the hotel's fully booked. See, what do I need? That's your breakfast, Zach? You want anything else? Fried rice? He has a bit of a cough this morning. Hopefully nothing too major. Take a train ride later.
The one that's around here.
Huh?
The one that's here.
What?
The train.
Yeah, the train is close to here. But we're gonna be on the train for like 5 hours.
No, I would take that train here. From here.
Yeah,
to
taking
this place.
yeah. Alright, so had to grab Batsu real quick. Last morning here. Kinda sad.
You wanna go there? Let's go that way. Hey, watch out.
There's a light, something kind of light that never shone on me. I run my life through it.
You want to take pictures? Yes? Okay, go.
Oke, bayar dari side. Oke.
Lihatan fotonya Mbak Sa. Ayo, fotonya Mbak. Ya? Oke, go ahead. Bebas. Oke.
Ya, bukan nama aku. Tuh.
Oh, hey. You want to take picture? Okay. Go ahead, baby. Okay.
Terima kasih. We went there yesterday, bought some batik for Zach. Didn't have my camera with me. But I guess so. For different parts you can go. Like, right? So like this, the other one was something else. It's different promotions, not really selling anything. So the one over there earlier was it's getting hot again. Time to shut off. Yeah. Asik. So we're at the train station right now, just waiting for them to let us in. We got here too early. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just got on the train, and it's hot. So I'm gonna try and figure out. Should be AC in here.
It feels like AC.
You feel it? Okay, maybe I'm still hot from outside. But it's pretty cool, man. This is Gajayana line. It's the luxury. It ran me about $70 per person. So it's the only way to my parents' place is by train. It's comfortable? Okay. We have our luggage here. They offered to put it in the bag. I was like, no, it's okay.
What is this?
That's the headrest. So this is a lot of room. Alright, so they gave us a snack box. Gonna open it a little bit. Hopefully it starts to cool off. But got the guys in the back. So this is cool, man.
Am I allowed to stand up?
Huh?
Am I allowed to stand up?
What?
Am I allowed to stand up?
Yeah.
BRB.
Yeah. So that's
BRB.
that's the seats. Nice, roomy. Almost like a airplane. Got a lot of leg room. The seats recline. I don't know how. I know it's got the entertainment system. It's right here. Over here, man. Alright, so I just noticed there's bottled water on each seats, and I think that's a blindfold. They got reading lights, so it's pretty cool. Reading lights, so you can read and stuff like that. Alright, so we're gonna unbox the snack box.
My helmet.
Your helmet?
Yep.
Okay, here you go. Oh, cool. Got wafers. Is that wafers?
No, Starbucks.
Oh, yeah, wafer.
Oh. All the whatever.
Peanuts, I
How much
guess.
is it?
Pudding,
What?
and a juice box. Oh, not bad. You like it? That's pretty neat. So I didn't realize they were going to serve us dinner. But I'm going to take it. So they chicken, rice. Is that tofu? Hot sauce, green stuff. I'll check it out. Some stuff from the coffee I drank earlier. This kid is knocked out. I don't know what he's listening to. He is knocked out.